Welcome to the Bitcoin Crash Course. In this series, we'll demystify the world of Bitcoin in simple terms. I'm your host, AudioMotivate, and in this first video, we're diving into the basics. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a form of digital currency that operates on a decentralized network of computers using a technology called blockchain. But before we delve into the technical details, let's take a quick trip back in time. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It was introduced as an alternative to traditional currencies, aiming to provide a decentralized and borderless financial system. Now, one key concept here is decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments or banks, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, meaning no single entity has control. This makes it resistant to censorship and interference. Why does Bitcoin matter? Well, it offers financial freedom, allowing individuals to transact directly without intermediaries. It also serves as a hedge against inflation, given its capped supply of 21 million coins. That wraps up our introduction to Bitcoin. In the next video, we'll explore how Bitcoin works on the blockchain. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.